So now we are going to see another important topic called as method hiding. So what is method hiding and what is the difference between method hiding and method overriding, which we will see in our this session. So let me create one class out here, class as method hiding. Okay, let me create main method and that's it. So okay, let me increase the font size, it's very small. Go to font and under font, Java editors, system, just click on edit and increase the font size, console as regular. Okay, fine, that's it. Now first of all, what is method hiding? So in method hiding, just keep few things in mind. First is in method hiding, both parent class method and child class method is static. Both methods are static. Okay, and another one is, it is also called as compile time polymorphism or static polymorphism or early binding. Compile time polymorphism or early binding. Okay, and the main point over here is that in method hiding, method resolution takes place at compile time, not at runtime, while in overriding, method resolution takes place at runtime. Okay, based on runtime objects, it happen in method overriding, but in method hiding, method resolution is done by the compiler based on object reference type. Okay, so just take notes with me, so it would be handy with you while you are attending any interview or preparing for an interview. Okay, okay, I hope these are taken, you have taken the notes for these. Now practically we will see how we can achieve method hiding. So okay, now what I have done over here, I have created one class as method hiding. Okay, this is the class name, right? Now I will create few more classes over here. Let's say class A, and again over here class B. So let's keep some another name, let's say cars, and let's give a name as four-wheeler. Okay, now what I will do, I will create one method out here. Let's say public void over car, I can say 800, let's say Maruti. Okay, I've created one method over here, and the same method I will be creating over here also. So you must be aware that we cannot override a method which is non-static in parent class to static into child class. Now I have created two classes over here, but I have not extended it. extends cars. Okay, now if a parent class method is static, we cannot override it to non-static, right? And if parent class method is non-static, we cannot override it to static. So this is not possible, right? This is not possible, and even this is not possible. But in this case over here, you can see both the methods in parent class and in child class is non-static, so that is definitely fine. Okay, so now if I put static keyword over here, as per the rule which I have explained, the static method cannot be overridden into non-static into child class, so we get error out here. See, the instance method cannot override a static method from cars, so that's why we have to either remove the static keyword or put a static keyword over this method. Now the error is gone, right? And similarly, you cannot do non-static over here and static over here, so that is also not possible. However, if you put static keyword in both parent class method and in child class method, that is called as method hiding. So you just need to use a static keyword over the parent class and in child class in order to achieve data hiding. So now in method hiding, just take a notes along with me. Method resolution is done by compiler based on object reference type. So we will prove this because we will be creating object of this class, and we'll try to call the method based on principles of method hiding. Okay, so method resolution in method hiding takes place based on object reference type, that is at compile time. Okay, compile time. Oops. Okay, so now let me just create an object of this class. Okay, let me create object of this class with reference of the same class, that is cars. Let's say cars a is equal to new cars, and a dot, as soon as I hit dot, you can see Maruti would be available over here. Okay, I will just cut it, paste it over here. We'll run this. Run as Java application. Okay, sorry, it is not possible because I am calling a method, right? And in method I am printing, so sorry for that. Run as Java application. Where is console? Oh, sorry, my bad, I have not written anything here. So I will say inside cars and inside four-wheeler. Okay, now run it. Is there any kind of error? No, it's a warning. So just remove it, just ignore it. You see, it is printing inside cars. This is because I have created object of cars and with the reference type of cars only, right? But what will happen if I create object like this? Cars B is equal to new Maruti. Okay, sorry, new four-wheeler with reference of this class, and B dot Maruti. So what it will print now? What it will print as per your understanding? So it will be printing this method only, that is of cars method only. You see inside cars it is printing. This is because in method hiding, method resolution is done by compiler based on object reference type. So whatever the class which is written at this left hand side is the object reference type, right? And this is a runtime object. So based on this, it will call the method of this class, that is of cars class. This will be called definitely because method resolution is done by compiler based on object reference type. So the method of cars object will be, the method of cars class will be called. So that's it. So just remember few things. In method overriding, method resolution is done by JVM based on runtime object, and in method hiding it is same as that of the overloading. Whatever the principle of method overloading is there, that is applicable for method hiding also. So method resolution will be done based on the compiler so the method resolution will be done by the compiler based on object reference type, and it is also called as static polymorphism, or what we can say early binding, or we have written it out, right? So that's all we have for that, or compile time polymorphism it is called. So yes, that's it for now, and let's meet in our next session.